going to read the Bible. Isaiah chapter 53, verse 1 to 3. Who has believed our message, and to whom has the arm of the Lord been revealed? He grew up before him like a thunder shoot and like a root out of dry ground. He had no beauty or majesty to attract us to him. Nothing in his appearance that we should desire him. Isaiah chapter 53, verse 1 to 3. Genesis chapter 1, verse 2. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. On day 1, God made the day and night. On day 2, God made the sky. On day 3, God made the dry land and plants. On day 4, God made the star, moon, and stars. On day 5, God made the birds and fish. On day 6, God made the animals and man. On day 7, God rested from all his work. Genesis chapter 1, verse 2. Psalm number 34, verse 1 to 4. I will extol the Lord at all times. His praise will always be on my lips. I will glory in the Lord. Let the that hear and rejoice. I glorify the Lord with me. Let us exalt his name together. I sought the Lord, and he answered me, and he delivered me from all my fears. Psalm number 34, verse 1 to 4. Philippians chapter 2, verse 3 to 5. Do nothing out of selfish ambition or vain conceit. Rather, in humility, value others above yourself, not looking to your own interests, but each of you to the interest of the others. Philippians chapter 2, verse 3 to 5. John chapter 3, verse 7, 8, and 16. You should not be surprised at my saying, you must be born again. The wind blows wherever it places. You hear its sound, but you can't tell where it's come from or where it's going. So it is everyone born of the Spirit. For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish, but have eternal life. Thank you.